Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today, we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word save. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. We need to save money for our vacation next year. In this context, save means to set aside or keep money for future use, typically to provide for future needs or to achieve a specific goal. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.